Join us for this exciting lesson as we unveil the secrets behind crafting stunning visual effects that will elevate your design skills to new heights. We will do our work against a dark blue background. First, we take the line tool. Change the color to white and draw a simple line. Let's move it down for now for convenience. We take the width tool, select one vertex, double-click on it, and we have a window where you can edit it. See how to do it. We need to round the vertices, so click these two buttons. Now do the same for the second vertex and set it to 0. For the glow effect, draw a circle with a gradient of white and black and select Color Dodge in the blending mode. Select all our objects and group them and select Color Dodge in the blend mode. I forgot to make a gradient for the line, so we double-click on the line, select the radial gradient white and black, and make the rotation angle -90 degrees. That's how it should be, and let's enlarge the circle a bit. Now go to the Object, Repeat, Radial menu. We have an object that can be edited in the Properties panel. Here you can add the number of elements and the radius. By copying, we make a copy and reduce it, and also edit the number of elements and radius. If you double-click on the element, you can do this trick, watch and repeat and experiment. You can change the direction or even turn the object inside out. So try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with new and valuable lessons. Thank you for your attention, and let's embark on this creative journey together.